Hey guys, today I'm going to show how to make this beautiful rose colors and lavender pink beading necklace. It's suitable for a spring makeover. I'm going to use flat nose plier, scissors, crystal thread, rose colors seed beads. Very nice colors mixture. I'll put all the products information in my description box. Swarovski lavender pearls in 8mm and 4mm. Good color match with the seed beads. 8 pieces of crimp tube beads. A closed jump ring and a clasp with a closed ring. So let's start. First, I'll cut 4 pieces of 60cm thread. Take one piece to go through a crimp tube. Then go through the jump ring and go back through the tube. Make them stay next to each other. Use flat nose plier to squeeze the tube. So it's quite solid now, and cut extra thread. Then just do the same with other 3 pieces of thread. So like this. I'll take 14 seed beads, line them and make sure the colors look even and balanced. Then add 2 4mm pearls in the line. Make 2 threads as a group and place a seed bead for each group. Then regroup the threads. So we get 2 new groups of threads. Just copy last step. Place a seed bead for each group. Then regroup them again. Just copy like this way, 1 seed bead for each group, then regroup them. It's very easy, you can do it really fast. In this way, we can have the seed beads in a nice 3-dimensional pattern. When we finish the last seed bead of the line, regroup the threads again. Then place 1 8mm pearl on one group. And regroup the threads. So we've finished the first section. Just copy all the steps of the first section. So line the seed beads first and do the rest. There's one thing I'd like to mention here. Here we got less beads. Looks uneven. So we can move 1 bead from here. Now you see looks better and tidy. I've got the length I need. Make sure the last section finishing at the last seed bead without 8mm pearl. Place 1 tube bead for one of the threads. Then place the clasp. and go back through the tube. Move it close to the beads. Squeeze the tube and cut the extra. So do the same with the other 3 pieces of thread. Then you're gonna finish like that. So all done. It's very easy. Really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'll see you next time. Bye!